Guys, we have the gift here, the biggest gift for village grandma, guys. Wow, I think she will be so happy, so happy. So we have this one is the biggest, and we have these two, which are very nice, guys, the biggest. So that can tell you we live like family, we live like brothers, the brotherhood, guys. This is what we do. When you come here, you can take veggies. When maybe my big brother Leo can come at home, he can take also something from there. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. I will tell mom that this is from you. Yeah. Yes, thank you so much. So we are also going to take onions because they have also a farm of onions. So I will be supporting by buying the onions also, so that we can take for village grandma. Yes, guys.
Let me try and find a bag for the onions.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's up, guys? Good morning from Africa, and welcome back to this vlog of today, guys. Yeah, I hope you're doing good. Yeah, guys, we are going just behind here, guys. Today I have a very beautiful content for you guys, so make sure you keep on watching. Grab your seat, watch the video till the end, guys. Yeah, and enjoy the video. So guys, tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel, that is Maja_KE, guys. And if you're new here, newly subscribed, guys, consider watching the video till the end, and we will really appreciate. So guys, coming live from village grandpa's residence here. So today we are going to learn about farming, guys. And yeah, you can see behind here we have a very beautiful farm in which we have planted like pineapples, yeah, fruits. Here we have some pineapples, guys. We have some bananas, I believe. Only the new people have not seen this place, but you guys, I believe you have been seeing this place. So this is just behind our residence over there. Yeah, so this is where we farm a small, I can say it's a garden here, guys. And there's something here I noticed, and I was wondering, what is this that village grandpa has planted here? But guys, today we are going to learn about it. And for the information that I've gotten today, this kind of a fence is paying. Like when you plant this kind of trees, you are paid here in our village. So I never knew that until when village grandpa told me about these guys. So this is so amazing. The reason why I was wondering why village grandpa has planted this kind of trees in a very good line. I don't know the name of this tree, guys. Kindly tell me down the comment section if you have ever seen this kind of tree, or rather you know about it. So these trees are planted kind of fence. Yeah, so it's planted on a very straight line. Yeah, and there are very many, guys. There are very many. Yeah, hey, wow. So guys, I didn't know about this, you know, farming also. Yeah, village grandpa is a very good farmer and very good in these kind of things. So we are going for a meeting. So village grandpa told me to be on the meeting because he will not be around. Yeah, so I'm going to represent him. Yeah, so it's all around, so you can see here, and also to the other end over there. So let's go like this, I think. Yeah, so that I can show you. So see how they come up from down here to be like the ones over there, which are big, guys. So being a beautiful morning here in the village, and of course you can see the weather, it's a chilly morning. Yeah, and also here we have wheat that was planted here by our neighbor here, my uncle. Yeah, so our land ends here, exactly where he has planted the last trees that you see here. Yeah, so this is wheat, guys. Yeah, wheat or finger millet, sorry, I mean finger millet. So this is how finger millet is planted, also on a very straight line. Yeah, so this is how it's planted. I believe the last time you saw me and Nasto planting the finger millet over there, the other side. So these kind of trees are planted in a straight line. Yeah, I'm not sure of the correct information about these trees. What I know, you plant these trees and then you are paid. As long as you have a title deed to your farm, you will be paid when you plant these trees, because I think it's kind of, anyway, let me just not get to conclusion, because we are going there, we are going to learn about these trees, guys. So guys, tell a friend to tell another friend to grab a tree and subscribe and watch Maja_KE and anyone that is doing genuine work, guys. I want to appreciate you people who are watching me every day, taking your time to learn from Maja_KE. Of course, it's very positive vibes, and yeah guys, grab a seat. So let's move and get the right information about the trees, guys. Yes, let's move. And also here we have variety of vegetables, greens. This is we call it mutere. Coriander, we have coriander, we have lot of variety. We have the onions, we have kales, pumpkin leaves here. So guys, a lot of food here in the village. Wow. So guys, let's move, let's move, let's move. They measure the ground, and it's told like when even birds, you know, when you plant the trees, they, I don't know if they are trees or whatever. Yeah, so when they you plant it, they will come with the measurements, and they will measure and see if the other place which is not planted, you know, we have a lot of birds like eating maize and plantation. So I think when they come and measure, they see that your place is okay, the birds didn't come there so much, and the other place they went they had a lot of birds, so they confirm like you will be paid, because the trees, what I learned from there, the trees are meant to push away the birds from eating the maybe maize which you have planted, kales and everything. So that is what was the main thing over there, and I think these guys are genuine. Yeah, so you guys, I think I have some clips I will put on, because I tried my best to do it with my phone. So guys, I think if I will not be able to put the clips, bear with me, because I really tried my best, because I really wanted to get the information from there. But the information that I got, we had a book that you read, and they tell you like, oh, go to section 11. Yeah, so you go and read it. And there was a radio, and I think it's very good. It's very good for agriculture, or what, farming. Yeah, they were so informative, and everything was good, you know, guys. So we are back at home. We have been there for some hours, like I can say how many hours, like 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours talking and getting to know the opinion of everyone over there. So we have like sections. So our place, is another section. We have a place over there. Nastor's place is another section. We have also a section which is Kiburanga. I think this road that was meant for, yeah, the deputy president, which is our president right now, yeah, opened it. So yeah, we never know. So we have 3 sections. We have here, which is our home, and the people who live this side, and the people who live the other side, and the people who live also going down the other side, guys. Yeah, you know, from here you can locate every village, every, I don't know if it's a village. So here it's another part which we were told, and the other part, of course, the road which is going to Ayamaro, and we have another part which is going to Kiburanga. That is where we know that is a school over there, and yeah, that's all we had. And you have to register, you have to have your title deed over there. Okay, okay, your number, ID number, and title deed. And of course, guys, I told you my dad sent me there because he was not around. He was so busy. Yeah, I can hear Sintake. Yeah, Sintake is here. Maybe we can talk to him because he's a very good farmer also. And Sintake, njoo basi. So I'm trying to call Sintake so that we can get, yeah, we can get more of farming. Yeah, Sintake is there.
Yeah, man.
Yes, how are you, bro?
I'm good.
Since morning.
Yeah, since morning.
Mm-hmm.
We normally say kura bitano.
Kura
When
bitano.
it's Sintake_1. Guys, if it's your very first time checking this one and only heavyweight MC here, and it is what it is.
Yeah.
We're here to support, and we're here to show love, man.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
thank
you
you
good?
so much, bro. I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was from the farming education. Or,
Yes.
yeah,
Workshop.
workshop.
I know they've been calling me like I didn't show up.
You didn't show up.
Yeah.
So
But
I was there.
hope everything is okay.
Yeah, I was there. He's a very good farmer.
Yeah.
Having a lot of maybe maize. Maybe you can tell us what you have.
I do food crop and cash crop farming. I also rear chickens, and I also do milk production. But here in Africa, we say agriculture is the backbone. Yeah. And all in all, man, we're here to support. So we do big time. We say never underestimate humble beginnings. So this is where we started from, and everything started from somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know, today I was talking about like farming. You know. Yeah. Farming.
Yeah.
And you're one of the people who are farming.
Yeah.
You have
One of the youths.
one of the youths who are very good on farming.
Yeah.
So you have maize, you have
I also
A lot
have
of-
green peas. I have I do mixed farming,
yeah.
whereby, you know, right now the best thing that we can do apart from YouTube is also farming, because we're trying to fight food security, lack of food insecurity. So we're trying to fight food security, whereby we need to see that Africa stand on, you know, Africa is a sleeping giant. We say Africa.
Guys, when we say farming, now we are here where they farm everything. Even I think this you don't see it on TV, and it's very rare. By the way, in our village, it's very rare to see things like this. So I told you I'm the village boga. I will show you things here that like a lot of villagers, I believe, I don't know, but we have some of them who know how to prepare this kind of things. And maybe my big brother can give me some what is it called, mbegu, we call them seeds, so that I can go and plant them, maybe also in the backyard of village grandpa, so that we can get some of this. Guys, this is amazing, because here you can get anything that you want. You can get variety of vegetables, variety of you can say plants. You can't miss to get here, like hot pepper, skuma wiki, like the kienyeji, spinach, everything is here, guys. So this, yeah. So guys, let's talk to our brother here. Of course, you know him. This is
Hello, people.
my big brother Leo.
Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome again. So we are with Maja here, some farming stuff.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yes. So as I was saying also, guys, from the start of this video, you saw me behind village grandpa's farm, small farm. Grandpa has planted some trees. So also I want to explain to you about that.
Yeah, I'm interested in
You're
these
interested?
trees,
Yeah. So the trees, they're like, I think something like this. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they grow like these are called like flowers like this. So
Yeah, those type of leaves. Yeah.
yeah, the staple leaves, they grow like this. And these flowers, of course we were at the meeting. Sorry guys, we didn't get to do a video, because they said we don't have to do a video there. So but I said I must explain to you guys. So when you plant these trees, you get paid.
Yes.
You get paid. So you plant the trees, they give you the seedlings, you plant the trees, of course, like a fence like this.
Yes.
Like you just plant in a straight line. Yeah, this way. Yes, and when they grow, I think the pollution, they help in air pollution.
Okay.
And also help when you have maybe maize or skuma wiki, kales. And now you don't have to put the scarecrows.
Yes.
They chase away the birds.
The birds. Okay.
Yeah, the birds. So that is what we learned over there. So maybe you're interested.
I'm definitely interested. We actually would love to have that, so we can put it around. Because one of the biggest issues, the challenges we have here, of course, is also birds. Although also birds, there are times they help, but then you have monkeys. You have these monkeys. You see all these trees around.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm even surprised there are no monkeys here today. But they are normally here like a family. There's actually two families that are they're like at war. One stays on this side, the other one stays on that side. But then this one might want to come here because all of them want to come and steal, want to steal vegetables, things like that. So that could help also with the monkeys.
Yeah, true.
Because the tree, I think from what you were saying, it grows very tall.
Very big.
But the monkeys also, it's such a way that the monkeys cannot just perch on it because it will bend.
Yeah. Exactly. And also they told us, you will be paid according to how the tree is grown.
Yes.
If your tree is so big, and they pay you according to how the tree is big.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. So if your tree is small, you'll be paid small amount. If your tree is big,
yes,
exactly like that. So Leo, we want to talk about this farm, a small farm here. That
this is actually, let's call it a garden.
A garden.
Here's where we try out some things, and then once we see that they're okay, then now we take them. Now we do them like now full scale, large scale, or now on the bigger sections of the farm. So here we try them out here. So like as you can see now, we have these eggplants.
Have these eggplants. That is what I was talking about, guys. These eggplants. I don't know why I never thought of maybe doing a project like this. So this
is an eggplant, or as we call it in Swahili, biringanya.
Biringanya.
Or another word for it in English is aubergine.
Aubergine.
Yeah, aubergine.
Wow.
I'm not sure if it's also called courgettes, but I just know it as eggplant.
Wow.
It's the easiest. It looks like an egg and it's a plant.
We are learning new words here.
Yeah.
Guys. So I
So
saw.
as you can show them. There's quite a number.
Yes.
So we can so we've already been able to tell that the soil and what we've done to it is capable of bringing this eggplant. And by the way, these are delicious.
Yeah.
Very healthy, good source of protein. So now then what we're going to now, we've known, now we'll go put them like, let's say now on maybe like 1 acre.
Yeah.
And this is just a small area, and we already have too much of these eggplants that we don't even know what to do. We've tried giving them, because every day they're coming out.
Every day, yeah.
Yes, we've tried to give them out to neighbors, in the store and in the fridge, both houses. They're full of eggplants.
Yeah.
So like we're just seeing, like even you're gonna take some.
Yeah. But
You're
I
gonna
have a
take
gift
some.
for my mother.
We're gonna
village
give you
grandma.
some, you take to your mommy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. And talking about giving out to neighbors, like neighbors here around.
Yeah.
In a layman's, like we can say in a layman's language, like what do you tell them? Because I believe it's not like I'm talking in a bad way. I believe some people here don't know how to use this.
People know them. As I said, in Swahili it's called biringanya. So people actually know them. But the problem is, like in this area, because it's not something that is native to this area, they don't really know how to cook it very well. You know, different plants or different things are cooked differently.
Yeah, exactly.
Now cooking this is very simple. It's a very simple way. You know, there's different ways. You can make a curry out of it. You can make you can bake it if you have an oven. They have like let's say like eggplant parmesan, whereby you bake it and you have like mincemeat and cheese, and the mincemeat always has been cooked with some cinnamon. It's absolutely delicious. You serve that with, let's say, rice. You can make it with a curry, into like a curry. You can eat with chapati, even ugali, or even rice itself. So once you actually have an idea of how to cook it, you can eat at least 2-3 times a week. It's that easy. And you can even cut it into slices, make some sort of like, it looks like fries, like chips. But obviously they're seasoned in such a way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you decide to, whatever style you want to cook them, it just depends on what your recipe is. Yeah. But
So-
people normally will bake them or fry them or cook them. Yeah.
So guys, we are learning. I told you it's learning. Maja KE is showing you what you don't see on TV. Of course, here in the village, of course, in Nyabohanse village. So from Leo, you're learning something from this video, guys. And I'm always saying that let's do videos that
Educational.
educative. Yeah,
that will change someone's life.
Yeah, of course, and inspire someone out there that we have a lot of people who want to farm, a lot of people who want to do like things like this. They also make income in our society. You see, like now, there are some people who buy also. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, and that's why I said we're trying them out. Now we know the most important thing is, okay, will they grow? We know they'll definitely grow, and they'll grow very well. Wow. I'll actually even show, as I told you, I have the ones that I got for your mom. I'll show you one. One has become this big. I mean, that thing is huge. Just this thing. And even these ones, remember, as they're here every day, they keep on sucking the nutrients and they keep on growing to the point they'll get this big. But normally when they get to this size, you can cut them. In fact, even a size smaller, they call them baby eggplants.
Baby
There's also some recipes you can use with that.
Yeah. I saw
Can see
one
some
which
there.
is so big.
I think it was up there somewhere.
Up there, yes. Yeah. So guys, this is the small garden of eggplant. Yeah. So it's very nice. I think maybe my big brother here will be giving me a seed.
Oh yeah, definitely. The seeds you'll definitely take. I think I don't know.
Or we
how
take the seeds from in here to plant.
Honestly, I cannot tell you if I know that for sure. But the seeds are here. I can talk to my brother. We'll find out if it's the plant itself. Maybe you cut it up and then you just put it in the ground, or there's actually a way like
Yeah.
the seeds, because we grew this from seeds. Yeah, we actually grew this from seeds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we actually went to what do you call it? An
Agrovit or
like an agrovit or just one of these agriculture stores. We bought seeds. Yeah, we bought seeds for this. We bought seeds for squash. We have on that other side we've done. We have oranges. We're now bringing some orange trees. They haven't started growing, but we have orange trees. We have passion fruit. Obviously, the mango trees are already there, but we added some more. We also added papaya, and I think they're planning to do watermelon. Now, as we get closer to where the small stream water is, we'll do the watermelons down there. So yeah.
So guys, if you thought like farming is not like an income or something that can also give you something to feed your family or do anything, then you got it from here. Farming is the best way apart from everything else. I know some people also work hard outside there, but when you're here in the village and you want to maybe have what can I say?
Like a side hustle.
A side hustle, yeah. This is one of the best farming. You can do farming, guys. So maybe we can just walk and move so that while we are talking. Yeah. So guys, these are the eggplants here.
Or aubergine.
Aubergine.
Biryani.
Biryani. Hey, this one
A
is
small
so big.
one. You can see
See
that
this
one.
one?
You can take that one.
Yeah, come. Yeah. Oh, this one is so big, so big. So this land is very healthy. So this is a gazebo also, yeah?
This used to be a gazebo now, but it was moved now inside. You can see that roof there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this used to be here, but now I don't know. I think it's going to be torn down, but who knows?
Yeah.
Might decide to
Maybe
make it
you'll
into
get
a
an
chill
idea
spot.
of
Yeah,
of
that's why
doing
it's not
something.
down yet. We're still thinking of what to do.
Yeah. And guys, don't forget behind the camera is Mohammed.
Synthetic.
Yo. Yes, so he's always helping me when Papa is not around with the camera. Sometimes, to explain more and good things to you guys so that you can get to have the good picture of our videos. And these ones, we have these ones also here. These ones I know about them. You also saw them.
I saw them
Village grandma has planted. She has planted
Yes.
plenty of them. Now this was just maybe you are trying to see if they will grow.
Yes. No, this is also a test.
Yeah.
So we can see obviously they're coming up.
Yes.
Then now we
You
go
transplant.
No, once we see if they can do good,
Yeah.
now we go now put them now like at a much bigger space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is like our experimental lab, let's say.
Oh. Okay.
So if there's anything we want to try out, we put it here. Once we see it's okay, so like even this you can see we have plenty of young banana trees. So obviously these ones now, once they become big, obviously they'll give us bananas. But now the seeds once they come out, we're gonna now start planting them now one by one somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, the story is so nice of farming, guys. I hope you enjoy the video till the end. Grab your seat and learn more about farming. So here also we have kales.
Yes.
Yeah, we have, we have different kinds of kales, which we call them stick kales. So we have the other ones which are not growing up, they're just down here. So these are stick kales. This one, you can remove them and plant other ones.
Yes.
But the other ones, you can just leave them for a very long time. Am I wrong or?
It's true, yeah.
Yeah. So these are kales. You guys have seen me and Nasto also planting kales behind the garden of Village Grandpa. We have everything here. Kales, then you go to tomatoes.
Yes.
Yes, so you can't miss to get supper.
We never go to the market.
Yeah, you see,
Listen,
Tomatoes.
anything we need here in terms of vegetables, anything that is vegetable, we have it here. And I'm talking about
Purely
anything.
organic.
Purely
Anything organic,
yeah,
we have
organic.
everything.
Yes.
Even like, what do you call ndengu?
Then,
Oh, like the green grams.
oh,
Green
yeah.
grams, beans.
Yeah.
Obviously, no, that's cabbage. That we're getting a little bit of cabbage.
Yeah.
You know, and as you can see, we have the chickens here that also
You can
the
slaughter
chicken
one.
also, and the chicken droppings also act as manure.
Yeah.
You know, so we live symbiotically with Mother Earth. You know, the chickens help us, and when we want to say thank you to them, we eat them.
Yeah, guys. When you say thank you to the chicken, you eat them. This is also tomatoes. Tomatoes. Yeah. So here we have cabbage, guys. Yeah, we have cabbages here also, and they are doing very well. You can tell the land is very healthy, and yeah, it's doing very, very well. So you can plant anything and it grows like they glow. Huh? Yeah, so let's move to the other place. We have here also this. They are called, this is saga.
Saga, yes.
Yeah, in Swahili. So guys, you can tell us how it's called in English. And saga. So this in saga,
I think it's pigweed or not pigweed.
yeah, you remove these seeds, or you let this in saga dry up. Then when it dries up, the seedlings are inside here. So when they drop here, they grow.
Yeah.
That is
Can see spinach.
oh, spinach. Yeah, we have it here.
Yeah, it's
Spinach.
Yeah.
Every kind of vegetables, greens or vegetables that you want in this place, you get it, guys. So we are moving to that place. Yeah. Guys, we also have these vegetables here. These are vegetable herbal or
I don't know what kind of, but this is definitely some vegetables.
vegetable.
Yeah, I think they're growing, or I don't know if they're ready or not. I have no idea.
So guys, you see, we here we have full of different kind of vegetables. So I really believe in this. You boil them.
Yeah.
After boiling, then you use
Maybe this might be like the seeds, or what are these?
Yeah, I think yes.
I have no idea.
These are the seeds.
Yeah. But this is definitely some type of veggie. It wouldn't be growing like this, like if it wasn't something edible. I'm not sure what it's called.
But what I've learned also from here, everything is very like I think you are good farmers because
Self-sufficient. This is nothing. As I say, this is just a garden.
Yeah.
Remember, the farm goes all the way down, past those trees, all the way down. That's where now where we really do now. We do everything now on a large scale. This is a small scale, just because the compound is very big. So we try. Now this works. Boom! Now we know we go put it on a whole acre.
Yeah.
The other one works. We put it on another acre. The cabbages work. We put them in another acre. So we have different things growing different. So throughout the year, there's always, because not all of them we're going to get them at the same time. So you might find there's a season. Oh, we have plenty of this. And remember, people come and buy. People come from outside, just neighbors. They come. Give them very cheap. Just give them to them very cheap, because obviously they're going to feed their families. But the main things, if we want to take to the market, like now it's down there.
Oh, okay. So guys, this is just a sample of what they want to do. So let's move, guys. Yeah, guys. So the flowers that I don't know if they're kind of flowers or trees. Trees and flowers. And the way the video started, I was showing you the kind of thing that they were planted for. Like you're paid when you're planted. You have to make them to give them a line like this, a straight line, like a fence, a very straight line. Yes, so you plant them like this, and they grow like these ones. they grow like that. So when you plant them, you get paid. Yes. So guys, I think where should we pass? I think like this. We have some mango trees there that we want to check also, because yeah, because as I told you, this place is kind of, we have a lot of farmers. We have a lot of farmers, and here this compound is very good for farming, guys. So come with us. Yes, we have a breeze here, cold breeze. Huh? The compound is massive, guys. So here maybe, this land is so big, especially down here. Maybe, what do you use it?
This is just a place to relax, you know what I mean? Kids to play. Whenever we have a party or anything, you know, we like to put like tents here so people can sit here. Sit here, we have fun. Normally at night, some days, you can see that wall there.
Yeah.
We have this white sheet. It's like a very white plastic sheet. Put it on that wall, and we have a projector. So we have like a movie night.
Wow.
So that we just put seats here with the kids, my brother's kids, or when my daughter's around. They can sit on, like, you know, as if,
watching.
Yeah, on blankets. Then we put a nice movie for them on a nice night. They have their movie, they have their snacks. So this is really just like, but it doesn't matter, and it doesn't mean that we still don't have plants that we like to eat. As you can see, those are mango trees.
Mangoes, yeah.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've added another 8.
They're here.
Yeah, these are small. No, you can see like these small ones. These are all fruit trees. Now, I'm not sure which fruit trees these are.
I think this is a mango.
Yeah, these are mango.
This is a mango.
We have mango trees. We have orange trees. We have papaya trees. Things like that. You can see they're all over here.
Wow.
You can see they're just spaced. You can see another one there. So what we want this place to have trees, but we want them to be a lot of fruit trees. You know, obviously kids love that.
Yeah.
We have some avocado tree there. We have some more avocado trees down there, but this one is really like just for the house.
Yeah.
Even like right now, there's so many avocados, we don't know what to do with them. I've eaten so much avocado, like I'm sick of it. I've tried it on everything.
So I think
I've
today
eaten
I'll
it with
take one
bread.
avocado.
I've had it. Yeah, I've eaten a lot of avocado, but it's healthy.
Yeah.
Good fat. That's the healthy fat.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, this is
So
how.
we actually trimmed them. They used to be much bigger than this, but
Oh, so you trim them so that they grow big.
we want them to become bigger,
Yeah.
and the bigger they get, so that we can actually start getting bigger and bigger mangoes. I think maybe in January, February, March, we should start seeing some mangoes.
Yeah.
And then again, that's the problem is this: when the mangoes come, they are too much.
Yeah.
We give them
until
a,
like
kids come over here, they eat as much mangoes as they want. The monkeys now want to live here. Yeah? We have to chase them away, but there's so much mangoes and then they just fall. We try and get as much as we can, but they keep falling. But as I say, you see, what we're really saying, like, okay, this farming thing can work. This farming thing will work. The World Bank said, I think by 2040 or 2050, the next generation of billionaires from Africa will be farmers. That's what the World Bank said. Now, those are economists, they're experts. They know what they're talking about.
Imagine, guys, we are learning from this video. I told you, do a video which
And when I say
will-
billionaires, I'm
yeah.
not talking about billion Kenya shillings. I'm talking
Imagine.
about in terms of dollars and euros.
Yeah.
Farming, most people run away from it because they think it's like low class. Keep on thinking low class. Bill Gates is a farmer and he supplies all of the potatoes for McDonald's.
Imagine, guys.
Where do you think he makes more money, from the potatoes or from Microsoft? I would probably think the potatoes.
Yeah, guys, I told you, when you do a video which will inspire someone, which will educate someone. Yeah, you hear this video, guys, I always tell you positive vibes, and we get to have good videos that will mentor someone out there, that will make you to do something that is very constructive. And yeah, we are learning, guys. Come with me. Yeah. We are still moving, guys. So we have another mango over here. Papaya. Yeah.
These are all fruit trees. They're young, but you come back in about 2 years. 2-3 years, they'll be like this.
Wow. See some mango trees.
So basically, for breakfast, we squeeze our own juice.
Wow. Imagine.
We're not buying anything from a supermarket no more.
Nothing. You just do everything for yourself, guys. See how the village is so green and productive. You guys who are saying the village, the village. This is now.
You can show them around there.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, if you love your village, I'm one of the people who loves my village so much, and I always say I want to do something that will encourage someone out there, be it a youth, be it elderly people. Yeah, positive vibes, guys. Come with me. Yes, so we have also this place. Be careful.
Okay.
We have some
Holes.
So also here, guys, we have a farm. This is also for the family over there. Yeah, that is our cousins. So we also have, guys.
You know which plant is this?
No, tell us. Me, I
It's a
don't.
sunflower.
Sunflower, yeah.
Still growing.
So guys, also here is a farm from up there.
It's there.
Is-
It's the biggest sunflowers.
Is where?
Yeah. You see the sunflowers there?
The tallest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is sunflower. I think sometime back also my dad, that is village grandpa, planted some sunflower behind our compound. So guys, this is farming. And as my brother said, the billionaires of
The next billionaires
the next billionaires
will be farmers.
will be farmers. So it's for you to choose what to do. Yeah, we don't say that we will leave YouTube. We will be there, but farming will be one of our businesses. Yeah, so let's move, guys. I'm really enjoying. Yeah, the sun is shining today. I think the rain will come at night. We have here, this is
Beans.
beans. Yeah. And the good thing about the beans, you can eat also the beans and the leaves. Yes. A learning session here at Maj_KE, guys. If you haven't subscribed and if you haven't told your neighbor or your brother or your sisters or your cousins to subscribe to Maj_KE so that we can learn more on this channel, guys, tell them to subscribe and see good vibes from this side, guys. Yes, and here also we have a plantation that is, this is not a plantation, this is
Napier grass.
Napier grass
cows.
for the cows. And also they have planted Napier grass here, and we have some sorghum. Huh?
No,
No.
this is cassava.
Cassava,
This is
cassava.
These are
Cassava.
cassava.
Yes. This is how they plant the cassava. The cassavas. Yes. So everything is here. You can't miss anything. Eh? Everything is here. So we have cassava, we have Napier grass for the cows. Yes.
You can show them that we got this place ready now.
Yes.
We're about to plant something here.
Yeah.
Over here we planted corn. You can show them how
Yeah.
how far it goes.
Wow.
We're also
And-
trying sunflower.
Come. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, the sunflower is.
Because we want to use it for oil, for sunflower oil.
Yeah. I sometime back, even village grandpa, that is dad,
He did
planted.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he did it. And
Yeah,
it
it's
was
very
great.
healthy, very healthy oil.
Yeah. So the land goes up to the far end.
Till where you can see that house over there.
There, the little house there.
Wow.
See a house there.
This is massive.
There's a river down
Yeah.
there, so it goes downhill. I mean, it's not the land is not that big. It's maybe about I think it's about 16 or 17 acres.
16 acres.
From here, yeah, going down.
From here,
Yeah.
going down,
Yes.
and going up another.
Maybe another. So maybe I total maybe about 20 or 20
Seven.
something, 20 something acres. But that's just this one. Then we also have the other farm over there.
Yeah.
That's another 3 acres. We have another farm in Yankore. That's 3 acres. So we're really trying this farming thing.
Yeah.
We're amateurs. We're not born. I was born in the city. The only thing I knew about farming was the song. Old MacDonald had a farm. That's the only
Yeah,
farm I
yeah.
ever did. But now I've become Old MacDonald himself. Yeah, bro. Right?
Farmers.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, I hope you guys have learned something from here, from farming and everything, guys. So you just get to the comment section, tell me what you have learned and what you want to know more, and what this video has. I think this video has a very big impact to some people who are farmers or want to be farmers. Be it be a young person, young youth, or elderly person. Tell me what you have learned from this video, guys, and we will really appreciate. And don't forget, guys, behind the camera we have Mohamed Sintake, and also, guys, helping me, of course, with the camera so that I can give you the best video. Yes, and if the video is not good, blame him and the camera. But anyway, I believe this is one of the best videos, and this is what I want to do, to inspire people and to encourage people, and to be a role model to youths out here. Yeah, so guys, until our next video, I love you. Subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to come to Maj_KE and subscribe. Until our next video, which will be very productive, guys. Don't miss the video. Until then, watch the space.
We can't say bye without telling our cousin thanks.
We are going, guys. So let our cousin say bye-bye to you guys so that we move.
All right, people. We'll see you again. You're welcome anytime. You know that, right?
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Mohammed, right?
Yeah.
Cameraman behind there. Peace.
Peace and love.
Guys, we have the gift here. The biggest gift for village grandma, guys. Wow. I think she will be so happy, so happy. So we have this. This one is the biggest, and we have these two, which are very nice, guys. The biggest. So that can tell you we live like family. We live like brothers. The brotherhood, guys. This is what we do. When you come here, you can take veggies. When maybe my big brother Leo can come at home, he can take also something from there. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. I will tell mom that this is from you. Yeah. Yes, thank you so much. So we are also going to take onions, because they have also a farm of onions. So I will be supporting by buying the onions also, so that we can take for village grandma. Yes, guys.
Let me try and find a bag for the onions.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much.